the same topic which we have discussed in the last video. This is a continuation of the last video, that is physiological characteristic of healthy newborn baby or neonate. So in this we will start with the urine formation, right? So as soon as the baby will deliver, after that within 24 hours the baby will pass the urine, and the amount, it is about 2.5 ml per kg per hour, and approximately it is around 250 ml per day in normal newborn baby. And if it is going to talk about the stool, so in the babies just after the birth, the first bowel movement will take place within the few hours, and after that the baby will pass the first stool within 24 hours. It will take a time up to 48 hours. The first stool which is passed by the baby is known as meconium. Meconium is in the color and the appearance of meconium is greenish black color, and it is consist of the cast of intestinal epithelial cells, mucous membranes, and laryngal hairs of the baby, even the bile salt and the bile pigment. This is consists of all those things, and it will, the meconium will pass for the first 3 to 4 days. Then after the meconium is, as meconium is thick in nature, then it will comes means then it will transform in the transitional stool. It is passed for 3 to 4 days also, and the appearance of the stool is like the greenish brown color with the milk curd. And it is also the 3 stages will be there in the stool: stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. In this stage 1, what happen, the consistency and the thickness of the stool will going to decrease in each stage, and at the last stool is the breastfeed stool. Means whatever the babies which is going to feed, the baby who is feed by the breast milk of the mothers, then at the end of the first week they will able to pass the breastfeed stool, which is yellow in color. Now we will talk about the some references about the blood volumes of the normal neonates. So if it is going to talk about the blood volume of a newborn baby, it is around 80 ml per kg. Then if it is going to talk about the red blood cell counts, it is around 6 to 8 million per cubic millimeter. Then if it is going to talk about the HB of the newborn baby, it is approximately 18 gram percentage, or it is vary in between 14 to the 20 gram percentage HB will be there in the newborn baby. And if it is going to talk about the WBC, it is around 10,000 to 17,000 CUMM. And if it is going to talk about the platelets count in a newborn baby, it is around from the 1 lakh to the 3 lakh CUMM. And this is all about the blood components. Then if we are going to talk about the neurological mechanism in newborn baby, it is immature in newborn baby, and it will take time to develop, and the best response to assess this is the reflexes of the newborn baby. We will assess it by assessing the reflexes of the newborn baby. As the neurological mechanism is immature, they don't have a good control over the motor activities. Now if it is going to talk about the temperature regulation system, it is also not well developed in newborn babies. And the last thing is endocrine system. This system is well developed in the newborn baby as compared to the other system, and this is all about the physiological characteristic of healthy neonate. So this is all about it. Thanks for watching.